One day, a young man got his first job. He was very happy. Finally, he could earn his own money. Every month, he received his salary. At first, the salary was small, but he worked hard. Year after year, his salary increased. His income became higher. His friends said, "Your life must be amazing now." But there was a problem. No matter how much he earned, his bank account was always almost empty. At the end of every month, he would check his balance, and every month he saw the same thing. Very little money left. He always asked himself, "Why do I never have money?" At first, he thought the problem was his salary. He believed, "If I earn more money, all my problems will disappear." So he worked harder. He learned new skills. He got promotions. His salary increased again. But something strange happened. His savings did not grow, only his spending grew. When he earned more money, he bought a better phone, then better clothes, then expensive food, then online subscriptions, then weekend trips. Little by little, his lifestyle became more expensive. He never noticed it, because every expense looked small, but together, those small expenses became very big. One day, he met an old friend. His friend earned less money, but his friend looked relaxed and happy. His friend had savings. His friend had no money stress. This surprised him. He asked, "How do you have savings when you earn less than me?" His friend smiled and replied, "It is not about how much money you earn. It is about how much money you keep." Those words stayed in his mind, but he ignored them. He still believed that earning more money was the answer. Then something unexpected happened. One month his salary was delayed. Bills arrived, rent arrived, expenses arrived, but his salary did not. For the first time, he felt afraid. He checked his bank account. Almost nothing was left. He had no emergency savings. He had no backup plan. He had to borrow money. That was the moment he realized something important. The problem was not his income. The problem was his habits. That night, he looked at all his expenses. He wrote everything down: coffee, food delivery, shopping, subscriptions, small purchases. He was shocked. Money was not disappearing. He was spending it without thinking. The next day, he made a decision. He would stop wasting money. He would control his money instead of letting money control him. He started tracking every expense. He stopped buying things he did not need. He cooked more meals at home. He cancelled subscriptions he never used. He followed a simple rule: save first, spend later. The first month was difficult. The second month was easier. The third month felt different. For the first time in his life, his savings started growing. Months passed. His emergency fund grew. His confidence grew. His stress became smaller. And something surprising happened. He no longer worried about money every day. He felt peace. 1 year later, his life looked completely different. His salary had increased, but that was not the biggest change. The biggest change was his mindset. He finally understood a lesson that many people learn too late. Rich people are not rich because they earn more. Rich people are rich because they keep more. Money does not change your life. Good money habits change your life. And the best time to start is today. Because the future you want is built by the money decisions you make right now.